Students, our next topic is angles and property of a triangle. Okay, so in earlier classes you have read that the sum of all the angles of any triangle, okay, any type of the triangle is equal to 180. Okay, now in this class we are going to prove that one only. Okay, that theorem. So in NCERT book theorem 6.7, it says that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so we are going to prove that one only. Okay, so now draw the figure with a pencil. Now we have given that ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. It can be any type of the triangle. Okay, now we have to prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. We have named the angles 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Okay, now so in order to prove that one, we have to do a construction. So draw line XY parallel to the side BC through A. Okay, point A is here. Okay, so XY is passing through A and also parallel to BC. We have done this construction. Okay, now since XY is parallel to BC, we have XY is parallel to BC, therefore we can say that this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles and therefore they are equal. Okay, so angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Okay, now in this triangle we have named the angle as 1, 2 and 3, and for this 4 and 5. Okay, now angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5. Okay, if we add these three angles, what we will get? 180 degree, because this is straight line. XY is a straight line, therefore angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to what? 180 degree, because XY is a straight line. Okay, now in the place of 4 we can write 2. We have proved just now. Okay, and in the place of angle 5 we can write angle 3. So angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 we will get. Okay, and by rearranging we will get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180, which was needed to be proved. Okay, so this was the angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, now next theorem is exterior angle property. Okay, exterior angle property, the theorem 6.8, it says that if a side of a triangle is produced, okay, then the exterior angle will be equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. If you produce any of the side, okay, of a triangle, it will form a exterior angle. Here angle 4 is exterior angle, and this will be equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Sum of two opposite interior angles. So what are the opposite angles of this one? 3 is the adjacent angle. Okay, so we have to leave this one. So remaining is what? 1 and 2. They are opposite and interior also. Okay, interior to the triangle. So angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. This is the theorem, and this is called exterior angle property. So we have to prove that angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, now see how we can do this one. Since this is a straight line, so angle 4 plus angle 3 is equal to 180, because they are linear pair. Okay, so angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. From this we can find the value of angle 3, that is 180 minus angle 4. Okay, to put this one as equation 1. Next, in this triangle XYZ, okay, XYZ is a triangle, so by angle sum property we can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Okay, because of the previous theorem we have read. So in the place of angle 3 we can put the value which is 180 minus angle 4. Okay, and 180 get cancelled, it will be 0 here. Now we can transfer this minus 4 to the right hand side, which will be plus 4. So from this we can say that angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, this is the theorem. Clear? Now see example number 8, which is very important example. Okay, important question regarding to this two theorems. Okay, so in this example it is given that in this figure side AB and AC of the triangle ABC are produced to E and D respectively. E and D respectively. Okay, this ABC is triangle, ABC is a triangle, and side AB and AC are extended to C and D. if bisector BO and CO, these two are bisectors, BO and CO are bisectors and meeting at O. Okay, so then we have to prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 minus 1 by 2 angle BAC. So this is very important question. Okay, now see, so this is the figure. Okay, clear? And in the given I have written that BO and CO are the angle bisectors of EBC and angle FCB respectively, which was given in the question. Now we have to prove that BOC is equal to 90 minus 1 by 2 angle BAC. Now see how we can prove. Now let us take EBO, angle EBO and BOC is equal to x because they are equal. Okay, BO is the bisector, therefore these two are equal. Similarly, this one we have taken y and y. Okay, now we have angle EBC. Okay, EBC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 because they are linear pair. Okay, so EBC plus ABC is equal to what? 180 because they are linear pair. And we can say that EBC, there are two triangles, EBO and OBC. So we can write 2x here. Okay, so 2x plus angle ABC is equal to what? 180. And from this we can find the value of angle ABC, that which is equal to 180 minus 2x. Okay, similarly this angle and this whole angle, sum of these two angles will be 180. Okay, so angle ACB, okay, ACB plus y is equal to 180. From this we can find the value of ACB, which is equal to 180 minus 2y. Put these two equations as 1 and 2 respectively. Okay, now in this triangle ABC, there are two triangles. Okay, so first of all take triangle ABC. So in this triangle we can apply angle sum property. Okay, so by angle sum property we can say that angle A plus this angle equal to 180. Okay, so angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 by angle sum property. Now angle BAC we can write as it is. In the place of ABC and ACB we can write 180 minus 2x and 180 minus 2y because we have got the values there. Okay, so on solving this one we will get angle BAC plus 180 is equal to 2 whole into x plus y, and put this equation as equation 3. Okay, now the remaining triangle, that is triangle BOC, take this triangle BOC. Here also we can apply angle sum property because this is a triangle. Okay, so x plus BOC plus y is equal to 180. Okay, so BOC plus x plus y is equal to 180. From this we can find the value of x plus y. So x plus y is equal to what? 180 minus BOC, and we can put this value of x plus y in the equation 3. Yes or no? So on putting this we will get BAC plus 180 is equal to 2 whole into 180 minus BOC. We have transferred the value of x plus y here. Okay, now on solving this one we will get 2 multiplied by 180, that is 360, and 2 multiplied by minus BOC is minus 2 BOC. Okay, now we can transfer this to minus 2 BOC in the left hand side, which will be plus BOC, and 180 to the right hand side. 360 minus 180 is equal to what? 180. And now transfer this BAC in the right hand side. In this step it will be 180 minus BAC. Okay, and 2 will be divided here, whole divided, and 180 by 2 is what? 90, and BAC by 2, that is 1 by 2 BAC. So this is our solution proof. Okay, hope you understood. Clear?